I know what you're thinking. I'm an Indian. I eat my dal chawal together. I roll sabzi in a roti and I finish my meal within 5 minutes. So surely it all just get inside my stomach and create a soup, right? Then how does it matter if I eat food in a sequence or I just mix everything and eat? It sounds logical, but it is physiologically wrong. Your stomach is not a blender. It is a sophisticated funnel. Today I'm going to show you how your first 3 bites can determine your blood sugar level for the next 3 hours. We are going to look at the clinical data that shows that this food sequencing can be as effective as diabetes medication. So let's dive in. Now you must be wondering, why does this blender theory fail? See, we have a process we call gastric sieving. When food enters your stomach, it doesn't just splash around. The stomach exit, which we called pyloric sphincter, is only about 1 to 2 millimeter wide. Research published in the journal Nutrients confirm that solid high fiber foods take significantly longer time to break down to 1 mm size compared to any simple starch like white rice or flour. So if you eat your salad first, it sits at the bottom of the funnel. It exits first and coat your small intestine with a viscous gel. Think of it as a metabolic filter. When your rice and dal follows 5 minutes later, they hit this filter. The enzyme can't get to the sugar as fast. So if you look at the glucose monitor, instead of having a 200 mg per dl spike, you will get a flat line, 110 mg per dl maybe. A landmark study in diabetes care took patients and measured their glucose level after 2 identical meals. What is the only difference? The order. When they ate veggies and protein first and then the carb, they have seen that the post-meal glucose was 37% lower compared to those who had the meal mixing everything together. Now, for an educated Indian professional, this can be the ultimate biohack. You aren't leaving your favorite food. You are just changing the entry time. In fact, let me tell you, this insulin blunting effect was found to be comparable to Metformin. So basically, you are getting a pharmaceutical grade effect just by having a cucumber and a tomato at the beginning of your meal. Now let's be real. How can you do that with a thali? Because we Indian traditionally mix everything and eat. So basically, when the roti has been made or your rice has been cooked, you just take a bowl of salad. It could be a basic salad with cucumber, tomato, onion, like that. Take that bowl of salad before you start having your actual dinner. So try to leave a gap of 5 minutes between the salad and the proper dinner. You sit to eat your proper dinner, make sure you have your half bowl of dal first with a spoon. Or if you have some paneer sabzi or some chicken or some egg, eat a part of that protein first. This will help to trigger your GLP-1, a natural hormone that is produced in the gut, which regulates your blood sugar level, slows down your metabolism, and also promote satiety. So it basically tells your brain to stop eating even before you have finally touched the rice. You already have your bowl of salad and a portion of your protein like dal, paneer, chicken, fish, whatever is there. Now you start mixing food in a traditional way and eat. Since your fiber filter has already sets in the intestine by now, it will help you to give a steady blood sugar response. And you'll be also able to enjoy your traditional meal. See, even if you eat very fast, layering still happens. The fiber hits the intestinal wall first and then create the gelatinous coat around it. I'll strongly suggest to eat slow. so that you can enjoy the meal, talk with your family, and take time to finish one food and go to the next. It might sound very simple. I know it might be difficult for many, but trust me, this helps a lot, because at least you need 10 minutes so that your signal from gut gets into the brain and say that yes, I am full. If you finish your meal within 5 minutes, there is 100% guarantee that you will overeat. So follow the food sequence and eat slow to get the maximum benefit without compromising on your favorite food. This is going to be the ultimate secret of losing visceral fat without dieting. If you have a CGM, I want you to try this from tomorrow and tag me with your result. If you don't have one, no problem. Just notice your energy level at 3 p.m. I'm sure you will experience no more post-lunch slump. I have created a metabolic sequence map especially for the Indian dishes like biryani to poha. You can download it for free and the link is in the description. This is Dr. Soma Chakrabarty. I'm a nutritionist working in this field for the last 19 years. I work with patients suffering with diabetes, high blood pressure, thyroid, CKD, IBS, psoriasis, SIBO, cancer, etc. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel Wellness Munch. We post a new video every Sunday. Then stay happily healthy. Bye-bye.